Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị si unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fasịsọ anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme.
N'ihi nke a ụgbana n'onwe ya from land, I say I must greet you and give you cola. So this cola adafu go kwada. So I na-ejizi 2020 ejemma when beg welcome na sphere from Ogwana side.
I have update. I have update, please. I have update.
Go ahead.
Okay, go on with the update.
Yes. Mazi Bertrand from Malaga is using 10 euro to unveil the cut the cake for our PM. He just sent it now. He have already remitted it to the BIAFRA government website.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
PM, you're muted. You're muted, PM.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, well,
All right. All right.
Mazi Emeka.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, United States of Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Onye ndu ewetara gị ọjị agụgụ ọjị gọcha ọjị bataza na keeki. Anyị na-ayọ gị ka ikpekwesị keeki ekpere ka e wee taa ya.
Ọmụnwa ga-ekpe ekpere. It's like a ekpere. All right. So ka mkpe ekpere. It's like a ekpere.
Ekwekwesị ekpere ka e wee luo.
All right.
Ka o ruo alaeze eluigwe na ịma na anyị anaghị abalans.
All right. Yes. All right. Bless this cake, oh Lord. Chico Kikabiama. He said. All right, and I want to thank you, Lolo, for this wonderful job, for this wonderful cake. You know, akoro the Biafra and affair on Etikonwa. So I want to thank her specially for this wonderful display of talent. What I'm seeing here, I'm really proud. Over on Finland, I can see, but I gave me a birthday, a melai cake. And also water. So I really thank you for this.
I gave you cake in Finland in December.
Udo, thank you very much. Thank you, my regard and greetings for this wonderful job. There.
Anyị na-awa cake a n'afọ Chukwu Okike Obioma. Rep.
Yes.
247 555 Ugo.
Aka anyị dị ya.
Ndị Spain onye ọbụla tinye aka ka anyị walụ
chelụkwa na onwe aka ya ka nọ n'elu. Mouthpiece.
Maazị Soninye, mouthpiece.
Mouthpiece, aka gara arị n'elu.
Odogwu nwanne m. Bishop of the Most High. I saw the way you were blessing. You are blessing the cake as the Holy Bishop. So I'm using 50 ejema to tell you for that blessing of that cake. I will send the receipt to my coordinator.
Thank you. And then the last one, Evangelist Freeman. From today.
Okay. Yes, my Prime Minister, thank you very much. And the financial Prime Minister, total amount of nominal 90 euros. So after making around, to what I hear me and my friends, the audio 90 euros. So I will send it to our coordinator. Man, post the money. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. All right, Ngwa, go ahead.
Ngwa, I'm a call our rep, Mazi Bernard. Mazi Patrick Chinedu, Julie Universal Queen, Ada Julie. We go 247. All the Spanish members. I call from take and I had to go Bioma. Monya Pola, Halfia, Onya Open and Onia. Now had to go Bioma. He said,
Thank you, Spain.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. They say that some people, when they want to gossip, they will gossip that we are proud sharing when 5,000 people are watching a program like this. And they will remind us how content creators are having 10,000 views. And I challenge them. Where is their own president having live program? How many people are watching? Their president have 2 million followers. But whenever they want to do something, you don't even see 1,000 people watching them. You have channel TV that have almost 2 million. When they want to have a live program, you don't see 1,000 people watching them. But they are very mad whenever we brag and show the number of the people watching. And as I'm talking to you now, on our X handle alone, we have live viewers, 5,400 people watching this program live only on our X platform. Thank you.
They were so
yes.
Yes, we have a hand up.
Our own is always different. We are not their mate. Anya we met. We see it. It's a very
over to you.
Hello, my people.
There were
no more Biafra.
You're welcome.
Our PM.
There were.
Ndanyuku. Hagi siliketa aho.
Eto akode.
Onye chi agozira agozi eze ka obu.
Yes.
You know, one of my cousins name Omeaslo we asiri eze moya. Awo Simon ekpasiri eze moya. Okay, so Mumasi US soro na so Prime Minister lazo. Huru keke ekeri. Eji mmone wari slice cake yala. Because nzo ahụ now mechi anya mechi ọnụ ụmụ Biafra ga-etasicha I know them.
Mụnwa gị ji $50 wari cake nke m. Ndewo nọ.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mazi Emeka, thank you for the cake. We are going to the next agenda. And in our next agenda, we have the presentation of the souvenir. Please.
Mazi Bernard,
yes.
Bernard, we have the Ohio
okay,
admin.
admin, raise hand, please, after Ohio admin.
Ohio admin, over to you, Chinwe. Ohio admin, Chinwe, over to you. Unmute yourself. All the way from Ohio, America.
I'm paying $50. What our cake can wait in Ohio. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sister. God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you. You are doing well. You are doing well.
Thank you. Maazi Chizoba, Chuku, over to you. Unmute yourself.
Thank you. Biafra Republic.
Peace.
Progress and deputy.
Progress.
Thank you very much. Prime Minister. Thank you. Biafrans all over. I'm from South Africa. I'm using $10 to take my cake to South Africa. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
They will.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Donatus Chidel. Donatus Chidel, over to you. Unmute yourself. You have the mic.
Yeah. All hail Biafrans.
All hail Biafra.
My ever Prime Minister, you are welcome to Spain. This is the first time being with you on a Zoom, but all along, since your program of the Fulani cattle poisoning, all this thing, I've been following you. I have been cultivated by that program. Since then, I have never left off your program. And I know that he who is anointed is anointed. You have been anointed and ordained to lead. Yes. And God have been ordering your step and will continue to order your step to the final bus stop of Biafra. I'm from an island called Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. I want to use €30 to take a portion of this cake to bring down to the Canarian people, Las Palmas, and €10 to plead my Apugo to please raise that voice again. Please, I want to use €10 to say, raise that voice to the Prime Minister, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Spain una fuga na bato bien on abo. Spain una fuga di sine bogi di abalugo. Isine bogi di kama. Odagu Biafra di eje. Baye bete biye. Isine bogi.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Osinachi, over to you, Osinachi.
I'll give the house. Almost say United States of Biafra.
Oh,
yeah. So, my PM, I'm so happy to be with you guys today. Like, seriously. I want to make Agent you now support my brother. When I see Adadu Goma, Adadu Alama, because you carry on with the voice. I agree the house.
There we go.
There we
Isi na-ebu ogide ukoro mmụọ odogwu akwụ ugo
mmadụ ọkara mmụọ ọ ka o si mee.
Thank you.
There we go.
Mazi Bernard, over to you, since we don't have more hands now.
My able minister. Thank you very much, my able minister. It's time to reveal another secret. The PM have been viewing this since, and we really want to let him know what was going on here. Our able prime minister, we present this souvenir to the whole world that visitors spent today. Mazi Sonny, can you please give us that Ejema music? Let them understand, because
we are not seeing you.
You can see him now.
Okay. Am I out now? Can you see me?
Yes.
Yeah,
I can see you now.
Okay, so I was explaining that PM have been seeing some certain things, and he has been talking about it, and we want to bring to the light what we have been keeping around. So this is a souvenir that the Spanish family have prepared today to give to the rest of the world that visitors spent today. And before I continue with this, please, my able information minister, can you give us the Ejema music so that they will understand why we are doing this? This is a secret.
Our own currency will be called a gemma, which is the currency of the Asians. A gemma, it will be called. No pound, no dollar, no nothing. We are who we are.
Yes.
Yes.
Let it roll one more time. Let it roll one more time. One more time before you. Operation.
Yeah.
our own currency will be called a Gemma, which is the currency of the Asians. A Gemma, it will be called no pound, no dollar, no nothing. We are who we are.
Yes. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
And the by Dalo Lineno, only if Konisi, when I saw any many rock on Basinketa, I said Basinketa, Mano Numa. I think which Korea zero, and the Cosidi, and the Kindle, if I be from Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa, Zoduki Biabo, Iabo, Ibo Media, Kaisiko when you tell Nkozia do Kemba, Geniki when you Basta Makaya Beef. Kabaroke drop for your comment, your own suggestion. Ni endani ne Biafran Prime Minister Kuni Rockwa. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media. Daro no munem kemesian.